In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personalized planner template using ChatGPT and import it into your reMarkable tablet. This can be a great way to keep your organization in check, tailored precisely to your preferences. Let's dive right in and get started on this exciting process. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your account. It's always a good idea to make sure that you're logged in to access all the resources you'll need for this tutorial. Next, let's start a fresh conversation to keep everything organized. There's a new chat button on the left sidebar of the ChatGPT interface. You'll want to click that so we can work with a blank slate. This is where we'll be creating your unique planner template. Now, here's where the fun really begins. Ask ChatGPT to design a template for you. To give you an idea, you might say something like, "Create a minimalist daily planner template for the reMarkable tablet." Be sure to include all the specific elements you want. For example, you could further specify what you're looking for by saying, "Include a date header, a to-do list section, an hourly schedule from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., and space for quick notes." Also, mention the format you're aiming for, such as formatted as a clean, black and white PDF page in A5 size. Once you've communicated your design requirements, ChatGPT will provide you with a suggested layout. Review the layout to ensure it meets your specifications and captures the design you're going for. If it's all good, go ahead and download the PDF layout file to your computer. After downloading the PDF file, the next step is importing it onto your reMarkable tablet. This is where your digital planner really comes to life. Connect your reMarkable tablet to your computer and then transfer the file across. Once the file is on your tablet, open it up and check that everything appears as you wanted. And there you have it. You've successfully created and imported a personalized planner template using ChatGPT and your reMarkable tablet. This digital planner will help streamline your daily tasks and schedules, ensuring all your essential to-dos are at your fingertips. Keep in mind that the sky's the limit with what you can create using these tools. Once you're comfortable with the process, you can modify and tweak your planner designs whenever necessary. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to explore more ways to enhance your productivity. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this. Happy planning, and I'll see you in the next video.